for, guys? What's good, ladies with gentle hands? It's another trader recap today. Can't lie, today pretty shit day. I overtraded, as you can see, but I can't lie. I was learning about the quarterly theory shit, and I was trying to use that too much in my trades today. But I think if I was using my strategy anyway, I would have taken it L. So it is what it is. But anyway, let's get down to business. I like, these aren't the only two trades I took as well. I think I took like two more and just got stopped out like way too quick. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, it is what it is. Let me get rid of everything. Okie dokie. So going into the day, what I saw was, obviously price right now is within this BISI. We respected the mean threshold, but at that time I hadn't realized it. So going into the day, I was bullish. We had this inverse fair value gap, and then plus the normal fair value gap. So yeah, I was bullish on that. And then also, what did I note down before? I think that was about it. I don't think I really saw too much besides that. I think there was, let me get rid of this. There was a little SMT here. Yeah, a little SMT here, but nothing too major. Yeah, news, didn't really have any news today. Some orange folder news, which it really didn't do too much as well. So yeah, I'll mark that out there so that we can see. 10 o'clock. Make that orange. So yeah, anyway, market opened. I'm gonna go down to, wait, no. Yeah, because at this point I was still bullish. Okay, so market opened here. Market opened here. We got this massive wick up, and then it was I think they're called doji. I think it's called a doji. So it's like a very long wick, and then it closes like bearish or whatever, or like it's a very small close. So it kind of indicates that price wants to go lower, and then price moved higher, and then we didn't create no wait, hang on, I'm thinking. We had an SMT here with this SMT right there. Look, SMT right there, and yeah. So at this time, I was like, okay, maybe I shouldn't be like bullish because price has manipulated up and then gone down. So then I switched my bias, and then for some reason I thought, I literally entered the second price went below this. I don't know why. Also, I brought lifetime data. It's only like £8, like £7 a month. I thought it was flipping. I thought it was like 100 or something like that. I thought it was mad expensive, not 100, but I thought it was more expensive than it was. So I just like, okay, might as well buy it. So yeah, if I turn on executions, you see that psychology got the best of me. Yeah, look at that. That is pretty dookie. Yeah, you can also see all the other trades, but I'm gonna go over that in a minute. How do you take this off? Execution. Alright, take that off. Let me put my phone on do not disturb. 1 sec. And then, so yeah, after that, price dumped, and then I think we created an SMT. Hang on, let me go to high time frame. 8:15, 9:45. Yeah, we did create an SMT. But by this time, I was already thinking I wanted to be bearish. I saw a higher like a high time frame, like I don't know what's the word. Let me just show you. So on the hour, I saw this inverse fair value gap backed by this BISI, which also is in a discount from previous day high to low. Yeah, it's in the 62.79 range. So I was like, okay, I can maybe try catch it when price comes up here. So at this point, I wasn't even thinking to look bullish. Although, if I was trading bullish, I probably could have entered something like maybe I don't know. Wait, let me try. It doesn't matter, I didn't enter bullish, so let's just forget what I was talking about. So let me turn on my execution so I can see the next time I entered. I entered at 20. Okay, so right here there was at the time 9:42. Was there SMT at this time? Wait, hang on. I need to go over my notes. Second trade. No. I literally just entered off that high time frame draw, which is kind of dumb from me. But I was trying to catch the reversal because I recently learnt the quarterly theory, and I'm just trying to use it in my trading, and I don't know why. It's poor from me. Got to do better. So yeah, that happened. I got stopped out right here. I was targeting. My target was this low. I'm pretty sure it's a decent little draw on liquidity. And also the I'm still looking at this 62 range from the previous week. Yeah, the previous week weekly range. I said that right. So yeah, I was looking at this 62 level as well. But yeah, never happened. So I entered. So yeah, I literally entered short. I accidentally entered once, so I literally closed it straight away. And then, yeah, the last entry was something like, I literally entered like there. My stop was at the top of this 15-minute candle. And yeah, as you can see, price wasn't doing any favors. So yeah, I just stopped it here. I mean, I could have held it longer, but what's the point? You know, I was getting bored of just watching price, and it didn't like. I feel like when I want to see the reversals, I want to see a big push straight away, but I didn't see that, and yeah. But to be honest, I'm liking the quarterly theory. It makes sense. Yeah, it makes sense to me. I'm gonna back test it. I'm gonna study it more, and maybe come up with a new strategy or tweak my strategy so that it kind of like, you know, intertwines. Big boy word right there. But yeah, you know, it was kind of not the best day, but you know, it happens. Just gotta take it step by step, get better. Fix the psychology. So to fix my psychology, I'm gonna meditate later. I just thought of that right now. I'm gonna do a little 5-minute, 10-minute meditation, something like that. Yeah, I haven't meditated in a minute, but meditating is very good. I'm not gonna lie. When I was meditating, serious, because it's just you just be thinking. you know, and your thoughts, your thoughts are thoughts, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm gonna be back tomorrow. Hopefully, do better. There's news on Thursday. Red folder news on, I think, CPI. Hang on, let me double check that. No, it's not CPI. But there's news on Thursday, so we'll be looking at that day for sure. Until then, yeah, hopefully one of these will be out tomorrow, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Peace.